So I gave ChatGPT a prompt and it gave me this error asking me to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. And I also received a comment on one of my subscribers asking me to create a video on how to use ChatGPT Plus for free. So I've been doing my research since then and I came up with the best 3 ways to use ChatGPT for free without paying anything. Actually, before you use ChatGPT-4 or ChatGPT Plus, you are required to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus and pay $20 every month. But I will show you how to use it for free in today's video. Welcome to Tech Explorers and let's get started with this GPT Plus tutorial. So the first method is using the Merling AI extension. So head over to your Google account or any browser you want to use for this tutorial and searching for Merling AI extension. Now click on the first link in your search results. After that, add the AI extension to your Chrome browser. So select add to Chrome. Okay, once it's done, you should see this pop-up dialog that tells you that Merlin has been successfully installed into your Chrome extensions. So now let me show you how to use this Merlin AI to get ChatGPT-4 search results by searching any content on Google. So go back to your Google account and let's type in for school uniform. Also, always make sure you pin the extension for easy access when searching for content on Google. So once you search for any content, then wait for a few seconds and you will check the right hand side of your browser. You should see that you would have an AI result from Merlin ChatGPT-4 search results. You can ask it to give you more details on what you're searching for or just use its prompts. Also, you can start a new chat and sign in using your account to ask it prompts as you do while using ChatGPT. The second tool we are going to be using is called Bing AI. So go ahead to your browser again and search for Bing AI. Hit enter. Okay, so when you click on the first result in your search bar, now you will be taken to this Microsoft Bing chat browser. All you need to do here is to have a free Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can easily create a free account or sign up for a new one. Let's ask the same prompt that ChatGPT denied my access to. Now let's hit enter. Now, as you can see, the AI give us information on this prompt, while the other time ChatGPT denied our access to it. You can also use the Bing AI to generate images, just like ChatGPT new features does. Now, you can use ChatGPT 4 and ChatGPT Plus for free within the Bing chat without having to upgrade to any ChatGPT Plus account. Now let's look at the third and mind-blowing tool for bloggers and affiliate marketers. Click on the link below this video and you will be prompted to this page. You can simply log in with your account or create a new account. Now, as you can see, this tool can give us content and prompt related to ChatGPT for free. So let's ask Poe AI. Once I don't type in your prompt, select generate. And now we have our blog post instantly generated from Poe AI. Also, you can access ChatGPT 4 and Plus on this platform for free for unlimited purposes. But I highly recommend this tool for bloggers and content creators and other tools for daily tasks. So if you also want to request for more videos like this, make sure you comment on the video you want and I will create a video on that. Let me also know in the comment section below what tool works best for you.